Hi guys, welcome to Pivotal Traders. I promised you guys that I will be sharing a video on Mitesh Patel's flagship trade using multi-strike, and also I took a vote that people are also interested to know my morning trade. Out of the three possibility, the third possibility where we expected that if the market opens gap down, then we can expect that the market will close around this level, taking this as a resistance point. The reason behind the trade at 950 was that the first candle, which was red, and the second candle was full bodied bullish candle, and thus we found a possibility at around 950 that a formation of inside bar has taken place and the market should swing towards upside, and this possibility we took the trade upon. And we saw that the market did take off from this level, made a higher and bullish attempt on the upper side, but it failed miserably and then made a low and then again took a sideways turn. So I'll show you my screen on the Nest software how I took the trade at 950. So in the morning I took a trade at around 952. I entered the trade before and then I even found a better possibility of the trade, which I shared on my Telegram channel, where we entered at around 235 with a stop loss of 265, and I closed the trade at around 1021, taking more than 1:4 profit. So a simple price action technique was deployed in the morning for the trade. Now the second trade which I took in the afternoon is inspired from Mitesh Patel's flagship trade from looking at the multi-strike OI and then taking a view. Now in this chart you can see that the orange line, which is denoting 30,000 PE, had a consistent rise. But you can see that even though the green line, which is denoting the 30,000 CE level, opened at a lower point compared to the orange line and still was able to give a tough fight to the orange line, which is 30,000 PE. Now fight did take place at around 11:30, and from that it formed a diamond kind of pattern here, and from there the orange line, which is 30,000 PE, took a lead consistently. And this lead, if we can analyze with price action, look at this is at around 1224. Now let's look at the price, what was happening at around 1224. Now at 1224 you can see that the price took a very sharp downward turn. It started from here at 1224 and then took a leap downwards. But as this was happening, the change in the OI at 30,000 PE kept on rising. Let me show you on the chart. So you can see here that at exactly 1224, even though the price was decreasing, the orange line continued to spiral up. So this gave me the conviction at around this level that continue shorting 30,000 PE. Let me show you my trade book. Here you can see that after 1224 I was trying to enter and sell 30,000 PE. I entered here and then my stop loss was hit at this level. Then I tried to enter again at this level. Then again my stop loss was hit. So you can see that I tried to enter again and again in this strategy, keeping my stop losses in check. And finally I was able to enter at 312, where I took stop loss of around 340 rupees. Then I was able to capture around 215 points. I can show you my PNL also. You can see here that even if my stop losses was hit, I was well above my profit level of around 36,000 from this trade. This is 30,000 PE, and you can see that the profit was around 36,000 from this. And this is just from 7 lots of selling 30,000 PE. So you can see that how robust this idea of Mitesh Patel is. The basic logic behind this is that if big players wants to sell a particular strike price, they will take the premium upside and then they will sell at a very high price, and doing so they will continue to write more and more options. You can see very easily that orange line, which is denoting 30,000 PE, did not witness any fall even though the price was decreased. So you can see that once the big players was able to bump up the premium prices enough, they uplifted the price of the bank nifty towards higher, and this was the profit which was taken by the big players. And this is only and only from analyzing the multi-strike OI. I fully dedicate this trade to Mitesh Patel. But also, I would like every one of you to know that a special conviction is required to take these trades, and you have to believe in the system, keeping your stop losses in check, and then only you can carve out maximum profit from the system. There is a set of rules, there is a set of discipline, and you have to follow it each time, and in the process you will be able to make the profit. So the market is still moving, and I made the video in between so that I can let you know what all actions have taken place and what can be learned from these trades.